How do you draw a cartoon head? What are the things that are required to draw a cartoon head? Are there any particular rules? Okay, so in this video, I'll tell you about that and something more. So let's go. Hello and welcome to Digital Pastel. I'm Abhik Basu. I'm a cartoonist and illustrator. So today our topic is how to draw a cartoon head. Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you that there is subtitle in this video. As you can see, English subtitle is shown below. Okay, if you are seeing this video in desktop or laptop, if you see on the lower portion of the video, there is a white button where CC is written, and on the right hand side there is the settings icon. If you click on that icon, then you'll see subtitle or CC is written, and in front of that English is written. If you click on that, you will see two other languages, that is Bangla and Hindi is written. You can choose any one of the language to see the video in that particular language. Okay. Or if you want, you can see the video in your preferred language also. For that, you have to click on auto translate. Right. But that translation is done by Google and that will be around 60 to 70% accurate. Now, if you are seeing this video in mobile or tablet, then that CC button will be on the top right hand side, and on the right of that there will be the three dots. If you click on the three dots, you will see caption is written, and in front of that English is written. If you click on that, then you will see the two options, Hindi and Bangla. Now you can choose any of the particular language to see the video in that particular language. Here the auto translate option is not there, right? And also if you don't want to see any subtitle, there is always option of switching it off. Also, if you want to see the instruction of the subtitles, it is written in the description below. So let's check the video now. Cartoon head, they are three-dimensional figures. So each head have length, breadth and height. We have to draw the eyes and ear with reference to a horizontal line, and eyes, nose and mouth with reference to a vertical line. These rules are followed in respect to all type of head, whether they are realistic or whether they are exaggerated or very cartoony. Initially, you have to draw the head in the shape of a balloon, right? So it is a sphere. It is not flat. So when you are drawing the eyes, ear, nose and mouth, they have to be as per the direction of the head. When it is facing the front, it should be in certain position or an angle, and when the head is a little bit moved in a sideways like this, so the eyes, nose, everything will move accordingly. So initially when you are drawing, you should hold the pencil very lightly. Draw with very light marks and not too deep, because later on you have to erase those lines when you have to apply color or do the line work. Also, you have to keep the line very simple. Don't draw too many lines. And also, if you draw with your free hand, don't use compass or something circular like a bangle or a glass. Always use your free hand. In that way, you will be more accustomed and you will have much more practice. Okay, now I will show you how exactly different type of head positions are drawn. Right? So let's go. Okay, so now we'll draw the cartoon head. I'll draw the shape like a balloon. Now you may draw like this, but I prefer this shape which I have drawn. First we have to draw a vertical line. This is the guideline or the reference line to locate the eye, nose and the mouth, and a vertical and a horizontal line to locate the eyes and the ears. Okay. And this is the mouth. We draw the eyes a bit apart from each other. Now we'll draw the ears with reference to the horizontal line, and then we'll draw the hair. This is the parting line, and now these are the eyebrows. This is the face facing forward. Now don't draw too deep like this, because later on you have to remove these lines when you are going to color or do the line work. These are just the reference lines. Okay. Now we'll draw another shape, another egg shape or balloon shape, to draw the face sideways. Now notice that here the vertical line has moved on the right hand side. The horizontal line is this, and we'll draw another dotted line to locate the ear. So here is the eye, nose and the mouth. Okay, and we'll draw the ear somewhere here, right? And then finally the hair. Okay, so that's it. Now we'll delete the lines which are not required. We'll draw the hair a bit, and we'll erase the lines inside, right? Now we'll draw another head, that is the 3/4 view. It's a little bit shifted to one side. We'll draw the vertical line. It is basically a circle. I've shown the circle on the back side with the dotted lines, but we don't need the dotted lines because that is on the back side of the head. Okay. Now we'll draw the eyes. Now keep in mind the eye on the left will be a bit smaller because that is a little bit away from us. We draw the ear. We will not be able to see the left ear because that is away from us. And now the hair. Okay, so that's about it. Now we'll erase the lines in between. We'll draw the eyebrows. Erase these lines because they are not required. Okay, so that's how you can draw a head in different positions: front view, side view and 3/4 view. Okay, so that's how you can draw various types of cartoon head. In the next video, I'll tell you how to draw cartoon head in some other styles. So if you have liked the video, please click on the Digital Pastel logo on top to subscribe. Click on the like button, share with friends, put your comments below if you want, and in the comments you can write about your experience about drawing the cartoon head. Right? So that's it for today. Meet you in the next video.